Well, you see in the thumbnail, look at how small it is. It's about 2 feet. And we got to put this together first, and then we're going to test it out. Let's get started. This is how it came. Oh, dropping stuff already. Pick that up. Got too small of a table here. This is like a very little foam cannon, soap cannon. I'm gonna put you up on the tripod and we'll get this thing together. All right, rather than read instructions, let's just put it together. I already don't remember how much this cost. I think it was about $160. This is a little electric pressure washer, 1500 watt. Don't use hot water. Something or other. Boy, this has a long cord. I almost regret unraveling it here. Hopefully we can put it all back in this. Wow, it's gonna be about 15 foot. Got a little brush. Let's see how soft those thistles are. Definitely not like a cloth soft, but they might get the dirt off. Hopefully not scratch anything. Might be cool. We've got the coil. Nice. I can tell you right now that the hose is harder than I want it to be. 16 MPa, 2320 PSI. It's interesting because, was this 2300? Yeah, it must be. I think I ordered this one versus one that was about 27 or 2800 because it had better reviews. Little sleeve right there. Then we got our washer knobs, all 4 of them. I'm gonna put these with the other washers, nozzles I should say. Here's the spray wand, or gun, whatever you want to say there. Pretty simple setup if you can see this here. Just gonna go in one way, turn and lock it in. That's it, that's nice. It's got this little switch right here. I don't know what it is. Turn this around. This came with 4 screws. Oh man, I already lost the screws. The instructions, stand by. All right, I found the instructions and the screws. We're gonna keep kind of ignoring the instructions for a moment. And this can only go on one way. Done. It's got a gas washer, power washer to be specific. Be interesting to see how this compares to that. That one's a 2400, this is a 2320. The other one's got some issues with the valves and the pump, or the valves in the pump. So hopefully we're pleasantly surprised with this. Is there something that's supposed to go in there? Here we go. This needs to go right here. Sphere wand. Maybe? Go? How's it go? That does not seem... Okay, I'm cracking open the instructions here. Alright, attach the mesh stock. Okay, we'll do that. So weird, it doesn't go down all the way. I just don't understand that. Looks like it's supposed to. Oh, there we go. Done. Number 2, attach the hose reel handle. Copy that. Handle. Hose reel handle. How does that go on? There we go. These actually just have some tabs, they'll slide right on. Just like that. Now we got a couple screws to put in the back. Turn those around. I'm ready to play for keeps. All these screws are the same size. Oh, so they appear. Almost lost our little plastic soap can in there. 2, that's done. Attach the cable stock, which is this. 4 screws for this. Only goes on one way. These are not all the same size. We've got 4 shorter screws, 2 longer screws, and there's 4 holes right here for screws. So that's where we're going with the shorter ones. We'll get those started. Go. Mrs. Two-Stall is actually going to come out and use this tonight. I'll try to get some of that on video. I think she's going to power wash our living room rug. It's a pretty big one. I think it's 5 by 7 or 5 by 8. Let's see. There. Right up here it says 98 dB. I assume that means decibels. And if that's the case, that's pretty good. It's not going to be very loud like a gasoline motor. Don't get me wrong, I like the gas-powered pressure washers. We're just trying to come up with an affordable solution. Because we're a little limited, and that's okay. Alright, that's in. Don't strip your screws out. Last long screw is going up here on this side, right about the 98 dB sticker. Over on this side it says don't stand in front of it when it's spraying. Don't let your dog stand in front of it. It almost looks like a trailer or something, I don't know. Why can't you do the trailer? I don't know what that is. Okay. Attach the high pressure hose. You ready? Where's it go? Here it goes. Look at this. That's not where it goes. Where is it? Flip it around. Here's your high pressure line. Got your O-ring seal. Again, I can just tell that the quality of this hose, I don't know if it's a bad quality, but it's definitely not the type of hose that we like to use. Get this off. Like where it's more pliable, etc. That shouldn't be a huge deal. I feel like I should put just a little bit of oil on this. I'm going to, just a tiny little bit. There we are. That's just going to help it. There it goes. It's plastic. Once it's tight, it's tight. Garbage that cap. Wheels are plastic. This is in the off position. That's in the on position. That's all there is, off and on. Okay, so we're going ahead and attach the high pressure hose. Mount the lance to the gun and nozzle to the lance. Done. We'll put a nozzle on shortly. Garden hose. We'll do that outside. And that's it. Turn it to the on position. Pull the trigger. Start your cleanout job. Trigger gun to depressurize. We're going to put this away. Alright, swing over the other side. I'm going to assume it's just kind of like this. You can drop them both in. They stay pretty good. I don't know if the detergent bottle has anywhere to go. No big deal. We're going to put that up for now. Let's take this outside. We're going to use it on that Ford Taurus project that we have going on right now. We'll see how it gets the dirt off without any scrubbing. We might even test out that brush. All right, we're all out here. Ready to give it a shot.
Okay.
Are you ready, Tinley?
Why?
Okay. Was it 157?
Okay.
159. Okay.
Okay. Dang it.
Get out of the way, Hector. Right, the water's turned on.
Okay, Mom. See?
Just turned it on. I think that's primed. Ready? All right, we're gonna give it a shot. Tinley runs. All right, look at that. First review. Doing much better than the gas-powered one already. I can tell you it's already got my approval. Yep. I'm gonna just do the door real quick. Okay. So I'm all excited. The fender cleans right up, huh? Okay, I'm gonna keep spraying, Tin.
Alright, Tinley, come here.
There you go. Working better than the other one.
Way better.
Of course, there's always going to be some stuff that needs scrubbing. Rug. It's going in the Derby.
Uh-oh.
Number 50.
Uh-oh.
I love how it shuts off after you're done using it.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like something that small would work.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Put it back, Tin.
You might not be able to hear, but Mrs. Tussaud said it doesn't seem like something this small should be able to work this good, but it is. All right, well, we're gonna figure out where we can wash our big living room rug. We're not gonna record that, but you did see what it did to the car here. Fender, the door, came pretty clean without any scrubbing at all, no soap cannon, and just a little bit of elbow grease and it'll be a nice looking panel. So thumbs up, thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want. We'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.